Welcome back, Lina girls over there. Davey D's over here. Time for some Shakas and Shoutouts.
Let's kick it off with Shakas and Shoutouts to the growing number of restaurants going phone-free.
What?
Hallelujah. The phone-free dining movement is gaining traction as restaurants aim to create more intimate, distraction-free experiences.
Some restaurants are even offering perks like free ice cream at select Chick-fil-A locations. I like this for customers who put their phones away.
That's right. Now, this policy reflects a broader shift toward mindful, less distracted dining experiences.
But I dare them to take away one Tito's phone. You know what I mean? We'll see what's going to have action. All right, let's hop on over to Hawaii Island for some Shakas and Shoutouts to Rhoda Magbitang. Speaking of restaurants and cooking, she is the first female executive chef at CanoeHouse at Mauna Lani.
Hey.
And she's competing on season 23 of Top Chef, facing off against top chefs for a $250,000 prize and the coveted title.
Now, she's already making history, winning the first 2 challenges and securing early immunity from elimination. You go, sister!
All right, Shakas and Shoutouts to the University of Hawaii and you for helping to raise more than $1.3 million on UH Giving Day.
Events across all 10 campuses supported scholarships, flood relief, and critical campus needs, including recovery from Kona low storms, with strong backing from donors statewide.
That is so maikai. As we jump on over to the Valley Isle for Shakas and Shoutouts to Maui United Way, the organization is teeing up support with a golf tournament at the beautiful Wailea Blue Golf Course on Saturday, May 2nd.
Golfers, businesses, and community leaders come together for contests, prizes, and networking, all in support of families across Maui County.
Proceeds will support programs like disaster recovery, youth services, and community resilience. If you want more information, go to kitv.com/link.
And if you want to send Shakas and Shoutouts to an organization or event that you support, let us know. Drop us the info at islandlifelive@kitv.com.